What do we know about the lives of mammoths? Extinct for thousands of years, mammoths were largely a mystery to us. But with the recent discoveries of some important and amazing sites, the behaviors of mammoths are slowly coming to light. To begin to understand mammoth behavior, scientists study clues in the fossil record. Mammoth bones look a lot like elephant bones. But did mammoths act like elephants? The evidence suggests that in many ways they did. Scientists have been able to study the makeup of mammoth herds by looking at large groups of mammoths that died at the same time. Near Sevsk, Russia, 33 mammoths died in a single catastrophic event about 17,000 years ago. Nearly half of the mammoths were juveniles, under 10 years of age, and most of the adults were female. In herds of African elephants, an older female, or matriarch, leads the herd, which is composed of the matriarch's offspring and grandchildren. The Sevsk mammoth herd was nearly the same in makeup. Halfway around the world, in Waco, Texas, is another mass grave of mammoths. As at Sevsk, the Waco mammoths appear to have died at the same time, perhaps in a flood. But the Waco site tells us even more about mammoth behavior. The positions of the skeletons suggest that the mammoths may have sensed the coming danger. Excavators found the skeletons of the adult mammoths surrounding the skeletons of their young. When a herd of African elephants is threatened, the adults form a protective circle around their young to scare predators away. Apparently, the Waco mammoths did the same thing in a futile attempt to save the herd from disaster. 1,000 miles north of Waco, in Crawford, Nebraska, scientists discovered evidence of a completely different type of mammoth behavior. Here, they excavated the skeletons of 2 male mammoths that died while fighting one another. The remains of the Nebraska mammoths suggest a deadly battle, their tusks locked together in a fight to the death. Fighting among bull elephants is a well-documented behavior. They spar and joust to determine mating rights and social order. And these fights can be particularly brutal, resulting in injuries or even death. Spectacularly complete specimens, such as Luba, provide scientists with a wealth of new information about mammoth behavior. With these new discoveries, we are learning even more about mammoths and their similarities to elephants.